sure, and I ride for Proper and Eclat. This is my bike check for 2012. First of all, I got a Proper TLL frame, which has got a 21-inch top tube with a 30.7 chainstay. That's pretty sick, good for manuals and whips and stuff. Moving on, we have an Eclat Schoenbrunn stamp, the top one version. It's our 6 stamp, it's got a small Krakenix and so sick. It's in kind of like a nitro color. And then we got a Salt / Eclat stem. It's brilliant for bar spins and tail lifts and stuff. We move on to the Salt forks. These forks are pretty strong and have not snapped yet, even though I'm such a sick rider. Then got a Proper complete front wheel. All black. The bearings roll pretty quick. Yeah, as you can see. And then we got, we got the Animal Tom White Wall tires in 2.2. Pretty sick street tires. Good for gripping onto the quarter and dirt and stuff, like anti-riding, to be honest. And then move on to the E-flat sprocket even. Funny. And then we got the E-flat Tibio cranks in gray. These are pretty strong cranks. Had them for about 3 years. I recommend buying them. Odyssey JCP pedals, good for staying on. Yeah, as you can see. And then we got a chain, and then E-flat seat with like the same color bottom as my sprocket and step. Pretty sick seat, good for sitting on. Good for a bit of bouncing and stuff. And then, we got the Federal, I forgot about bars. You got a Federal drop bars. These are like 29-inch wide with 9.5-inch rise. ODI long necks, extra long, good for bar spins and stuff. The rear wheel, we have a Proper hub in green.
Yeah.
With the Aero Bondi rim from Eclat. Hub's pretty loud, pretty strong as well, good for using tags and stuff. And we got another Tom White Wall tire in 2.2. So yeah, that's my bike check. Hopefully I'll do a lot more in 2012 with the Eclat team. Thanks for watching. I'll just go out with a bunny hop.